Hello everyone. This year the mango season has been very difficult and both mango grower and traders due to climate change and unusual weather condition the mango crop has been badly affected. Many orchards have surface loss because extreme heat and sudden weather change and fruit files have damaged the fruit. As a result, a large quantity of mango being supplied before reach the market. Farmers are worried because market prices are very low while production costs remain high. Traders also are facing challenge as the quality and quantity of mangoes have decreased significantly, and mangoes farmer is an important source of income of thousands of the families. We hope for the better weather condition, improve crop production, and fair market pieces, so that both farmer and traders can recover from their losses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and support. Thank you.